Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. This month we'll be making some creamy one-pot lemon pasta. So, let's go. Here's what you need. I arranged the water because it depends on how thick or not you like your sauce. Over medium heated oil, add the onion and let it fry till tender and translucent. You know, like when making caramelized onions. Next, add the garlic and incorporate it with the onion. Now it's time to add the uncooked pasta. You know, this is a one-pot dish. Don't forget about the water, and of course the lemon juice and zest. Next, the coconut cream and spices. Simply mix it well and combine till the pasta is cooked. Look how yellow, creamy and delicious this looks. You can add some microgreens per serving, or do as I did and simply dig in. The smell was just too irresistible. Let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this unique pasta dish. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your friends. But most importantly, bon appetit!